Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to write informal letter. Students, informal letter is the letter that is written to a friend, a relative or family member. Let's discuss the format. Students, first of all, we have to write sender's address. Sender's address means the address of the person who is writing the letter. So it includes house number or the name of colony or sector or city. And students, it is given in the question. And suppose if the address has not been given in the question, then you can write examination hall ABC city. And students, sender's address is always written to the left side. After that, we have to write a date in this way. And students, don't write the date in this way. Next, salutation comes. Salutation means then that you have to address the person whom you are writing the letter. Suppose you are writing the letter to your friend, so you can write dear Anu. Suppose your friend's name is Anu, so you can write dear Anu or my dear Anu. Students, don't write dear friend or dear friend Anu. Okay, students. Next, if you are writing the letter, suppose you are writing the letter to your family member or relative, so you can write dear mother, dear father, papa, whatever you call your father, daddy, you can also write. Next, dear brother, dear sister, or dear uncle or dear auntie. After that, the body of letter you have to write. That mostly is written in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, ask for the well-being of the person whom you are writing the letter. Then in second paragraph, you can write main reason to write the letter, and in third paragraph you can give conclusion or end of the letter. Next, students, closing salutations you have to give. That is, you can write, if you are writing the letter to your family members or relatives, you can write yours lovingly or yours affectionately, or you can also write your loving son, your loving daughter, your loving sister, your loving brother. Or sometimes students, we also write yours, but I would prefer to write in this way. If you are writing the letter to your friends, you can write yours lovingly. And after that, salutation, closing salutations, you have to sign below that one. Means you have to write the name of the sender or who is writing the letter. Next, students, I am giving you some opening lines. Using those one, you can start your letter. I am fine here and hope you are also fine at your place. You can ask the question, how are you? I hope you are keeping well, or I hope you are doing well. Then you can also start with this one. I hope this letter finds you in good health and cheerful spirits. If you have to write the letter for happy cause or sad, you can start with this sentence. I received your last letter 2 days ago. After reading your letter, I became very happy or sad. According to the situation, you can write. Then I'm fine here and pray to Almighty for your well-being. You can also start with this one. I'm fine here and hope you are sailing in the same boat. नेक्स्ट सपोज अगर किसी ने आपको काफ़ी टाइम से लेटर नहीं लिखा है देन यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस वन सेंटेंस. व्हाट हैज़ हैपन्ड? यू नॉट रिटन टू मी फॉर एजेस. और आई एम शॉक्ड टू हियर द सैड न्यूज़ ऑफ suppose your uncle's death is there, so you can write in this way, the sad news of your uncle's death or so on. So I'm giving you some closing lines also, you can use those one. Convey my regards to your parents. Pay my regards to uncle and auntie. Please convey my regards to your parents and love to. सपोज़ आपके जो फ्रेंड का कोई ब्रदर है तो यू कैन राइट एज फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सोनू. एनीवे वेल दैट्स ऑल फॉर नाउ. कीप इन टच. बाय फॉर नाउ. टेक केयर. आई होप अगर आपने किसी को एडवाइस दी है तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस वन क्लोजिंग लाइन. I hope that you will act upon my advice.